Alright, so this is the Minolta SRT101 that I have. This is the front, the side, the other side, the back, the bottom, and the top. So first I will show you the light meter. Okay. So when I turn on the light meter, then now you can see that the meter works. If I turn it off, yeah, so it's off if I turn it off. Okay, so I'm gonna take out the glass to show you the glass. So this is the aesthetics of it. Focus is smooth, a bit tight but smooth. The glass, the coating seems very nice. Right, back and the front, close up. What's that thing, man? Alright, gonna shine a light through it to see if there's any organic growth. Alright. Okay, so this is the camera itself. Let's test the timer. Alright, so let me put back the glass. Let's set the speed 1000. Okay, 500. Okay, 250. 125, 60, 30, 15, 8, 1/4, half, 1 second, downward. So yeah, works fine. So there you go, the Minolta SRT101. Thanks everyone.